Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, and I'm so grateful you took a moment out of your day to spend it with me, your guide to all things crypto and DeFi. Now, before we begin, remember, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, just a dad who enjoys exploring the crypto and DeFi space. And if you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe, ping that notification bell, and share this content with anyone who wants to expand their knowledge of crypto and DeFi. Also, please consider checking out our webpage, dadsdefispace.org, free educational articles on DeFi, crypto, a free course, and my community. And consider connecting with me on X, CryptoZone 1013, and Telegram Dad DeFi 1013. Enough of the introductions. Let's get to today's video. It's because of their tokenization strategy. Now, they are building their own layer 2 on the Arbitrum blockchain, and they are utilizing the same xStocks tokens on the Solana blockchain. They're being sold through Kraken, and they are also infiltrating the chain and, of course, Solana. But we're going to show you a little bit later how we can tokenized securities on the Solana blockchain. Now, Robinhood has really stepped up their game this cycle. It's like they're trying to become their generation. Interesting kind of investment proposition, although I do not hold any in my portfolio right now. So let's talk a little bit of finance. See, this is Back Finance webpage. They are launching new tokenized securities all the time. Google, Tesla, GameStop, MicroStrategy. You got the S&P 500 Index, NVIDIA, Coinbase. And I'm sure there's going to be more. They even pay out the dividends through the actual tokenized security, which is pretty interesting to say the least. Now, I've not been able to explore much of the liquidity and the xStocks available on the Arbitrum blockchain, but I have looked at this on the Solana stock market. It has jumped almost $48 million of growth, which has created excellent opportunities to provide liquidity. What are your opinion on securities? Now, obviously, they're not yet. It's new. So it's hard to say what kind of spread will exist when that is something to be seen. And right now, you're looking at the Jupiter DEX. Now, Jupiter is a DEX aggregator to get the best possible routing for your decentralized trades. Our personal wallet, I want to show you how easy this is. Now, on the Solana blockchain, some of these have very low liquidity, so you have to be extremely careful, especially when trading these securities, right? And I'm having trouble connecting right now, so hold on one second. And there we go. All right. So we are on the Jupiter DEX. I've talked about it a lot before. Pump.fun isn't available. There are launch pads on Radium. A launch pad that they just created called Jupiter Studio. There's a lot more options with this one, so it's hard to say how this is going to play in to the end of the bull run with so many other launches opening. But let's get back to talking about tokenized securities on the SPYX, which is the S&P 500 index fund for 6 months with USDC. Now, I do not have any USDC in my wallet, but I do have some Solana, and I'm going to spend half of that, just $10. I don't have much in my wallet right now, and buy some SPYX. We're going to see if there's enough liquidity for my well, first, we're going to have to put in our password and you to tailor it the way you would like it to be. And then we're going to open my wallet, see some of my other tokens, which I'm fine with. And you can see the S&P 500, 621. And if I go to, I don't know, Yahoo Finance, we'll just go to Yahoo Finance. And we look at the price of the S&P 500. Let's look up the actual 623.46. Actually cheaper on Jupiter right now. They're between the two. So I'm not going to be doing this with any large amounts of money. But I did want to show you some opportunities that exist, and with this being such a new opportunity. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the Radium DEX, okay? And I just take you to my Radium portfolio. 2 positions in here. One is a Sol USDC. It's earning a little bit of percentage, and a Tesla position. Now the Tesla 80% APR. Right now it's sitting at around 13. I'm at the lower end of my range, but that's only because Tesla has it's at lower end. Gonna need to look at rebalancing this position, but I'll project it for the next few days, 7 days, looking at is the X USDC position 0.25%, and I'm running a range 20, and then we'll rebalance to 6% range if I go to now. As you can see, I have $100 of capital in here, and I plan on running this position for quite a while just to see if we can pick up some more yield. Right now, volume's low. And so you have options to purchase and provide liquidity for things like Tesla. Most of the others don't have enough liquidity available to provide liquidity yet, but you can trade these on centralized exchanges like Kraken, links in the description. And of course, as volume increases and the more people purchase tokenized securities, that just gives you basic ideas of how to purchase tokenized securities and what you can do in Radium, providing liquidity with Tesla X or SPY X. I find this stuff so interesting. And the links in the description are affiliates, but they do help support the channel. Again, thank you. Thank you for staying with me the entire video, and I hope you are leaving a little bit smarter about either crypto or DeFi. Like and subscribe to help support the channel. Check out our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. And if you really want to consider developing your DeFi game, check out Crypto Labs Research Underdog Investment Group, the best DeFi private community in this space. And if you're interested in trading on a non-KYC exchange, check out our link from Weeks, $30,000 of USDT, or if you're not interested, maybe Blowfin or BitUnix. The links in the description are affiliates, but they do help support the channel. Again, thank you and have a grateful day. Keith.